Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Muntasir and welcome to the American Training Academy, the place where you will unlock your potential to achieve the best in your life. Today I came to talk with you about one habit, which is stop taking things personally. This habit will help you to have a wonderful life, and it will help you to take control on your life, and it will help you to protect your energy from all the negative influences. It's great to have this habit nowadays. And I mean by stop taking things personally, don't allow others' actions and words to change your mood. Don't be so sensitive for others' words and actions. And how we can develop this habit? By 3 tips nowadays I can share with you. The first tip, you need to accept yourself. You need to accept yourself because this will help you to be more confident when you deal with others in this life. Second, don't wait for others' acceptance. Don't pay too much attention for what other people think of you, because by this you are giving them control on your mood, on your life. And you don't need to do that. So, first, you need to accept yourself. Second, don't wait for others' acceptance. And third, control your thoughts. You need to know this golden rule. Your interpretation toward what's happening around you will affect your feelings and emotions, and those feelings and emotion will affect your results in life. So you need always to take control of your thoughts, of your interpretations to what's going around you. You need always to interpret everything in a positive way. And today I talked with you about 3 tips that will help you to develop this habit of stop taking things personally, of stop being sensitive to all the words and actions from other people around you. By this you are gaining control in your life and you have a wonderful life. Until we meet on Tuesday, remember, it's never too late to start living the life that you have dreamt about. Thank you so much for joining us.